Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Galaxy Station. I have been regularly publishing Mi Band related content in my channel because for the last 4 years I have been regularly using Mi Bands 4, 5, 6. Now I am planning to buy Mi Band 7 or 7 Pro. From the beginning, Mi Band have been using Mi Fit as its companion app, but in 2022, for whatever reason, Xiaomi decided to change the name of its app to Zepp Life. It's rebranded the app, changed the icon, but everything inside the app is similar. And my personal opinion is this app is buggy. Today I have been stumbled upon a question: how can I change my body height in Zepp Life or Mi Fit for Mi Band products? And the strange thing is I have not able to find the settings yet, believe it or not. Here I am scrolling all the options. This is the home page of my Mi Fit. I have been wearing my Mi Fit in my left hand. This is my weight. Okay, let's check my weight. Add weight. I can change my weight via this option. I can add new member to my app and I can delete my profile. This is another view, but there is no option to add my height here. Okay, let's explore. This is my workouts, SpO2, blood oxygen level, calories I have been burnt. Okay, nothing in the home page to change my height. This is my workout. This is my family. I have been yet to add any family member to my app, and this is my profile. Let's go to my device. Health monitoring. No, this is the health monitoring setup, not my profile setup. Band settings. No. App settings. No. No. Lab. No, there is nothing. Check for update. Nothing. About. This is about my device. Help. Nothing. This is going to a website. And interesting thing is, before making this video I have already spent 50 minutes inside this app to find is there any height change option. I can't find any, or at least in this app version there is absolutely nothing. So what can I do? This app is showing my BMI. That means it must have my height data inside. But where is it? How can I edit? Let's do one thing. Delete my profile. Delete this record. Okay. I hope I am deleting my all the previous weight records. I can't remove my last recorded weight, but there is no option to change my height yet. This is very strange. There is option for changing weight. Okay. Okay. I'm entering my info here. Yes, height. My height is 168 centimeter and my current weight is 61.5 kg. Save. Let's see. This is my profile. This is also my profile. So here I have now two profile. Yet there is no option to add or edit my height. Please Xiaomi, bring back our Mi Fit. We don't want Zepp Life. Thank you for watching this video.